to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, the points P, y minus y, and then Q, 12 minus y, 2y minus 6, both lie on the circumference of the same circle whose center is the origin. What is the sum of the two possible values of y? So let's see how we are going to solve this one. Okay, we have a circle like this. Then this is the center, maybe center O. Then there is a point P, then Q. So this is point P, y minus y. Then this is point Q, 12 minus y, then 2y minus 6. Then this is the origin O, which is 0, 0. So let's connect this and then that. I'm not using straight edge, so you pardon me. I just want to illustrate it for you to see. So this is supposed to be a straight line. Okay. Now OP is the same as OQ. Yes, they are radius. Or when you draw a line from the center of a circle to any part of the circle, it's called the radius. So this line is from the center to this. So this is radius. So they are the same. And it is the distance. If you have the 2 points, x1, y1, and then x2, y2, how do you find the distance between these 2 points? So it is x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared, and then you take the square root. Good. So we have OP being equal to OQ. So this implies that when you square both sides, the square root will go. So we are going to have, so this, assuming that this is x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So y minus 0 squared plus minus y minus 0 squared will be equal to 12 minus y minus 0 squared plus 2y minus 6 minus 0 squared. So this implies that when you go back, y minus 0, so we have y squared plus minus y squared is equal to 12 minus y squared plus 2y minus 6 squared. So let's expand. So we have y squared plus another y squared. The negative will turn to positive. So let's expand this. So 12 squared is 144. 2 times 12 times minus 1. We have minus 24y. Then when you square this one, you get y squared plus. Square the first term, we have 4y squared. So 2 times 2y times minus 6. So we are going to get 24y. And then we square the second term, which is 36. So on the left hand side, y squared plus y squared is 2y squared, which is equal to, we have y squared plus 4y squared. We have 5y squared. Then 24y minus 24y is minus 48y. And then 144 plus 136 is 180. So we can group them. So let's bring all of them to this side. So that we have 5y squared minus 2y squared minus 48y plus 180 is equal to 0. We are moving this one. So we have 3y squared minus 48y plus 180 is equal to 0. You can realize that y3 can go into 48 and at the same time 180. So when you divide through by 3, we have y squared minus, this is 16y plus 60 is equal to 0. Let's go back to the question. We want to find the sum of the two possible values of y. So when you get to this point, there are two ways. So y squared minus 16y plus 60 is equal to 0. One way is to solve this quadratic equation, get two values, and then you add. Another way is using quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. sum of roots is equal to minus b on a, where a, b, and c are coefficient of x. So from this, from y squared minus 16y plus 60 is equal to 0. Our a is 1, and then b is minus 16, c is 60. So sum of roots will be equal to, minus 16 over 1, and which is 16. That is the first method, yes. As I said, you can also solve this equation. You can solve it. You can solve it here. You can say the factors will be minus 10 and then minus 60. So y squared minus 10y minus 6y plus 60 is equal to 0. So y minus 10, y into bracket y minus 10 plus 6 minus 6 into bracket y minus 10 equal to 0. So y minus 10, y minus 6 is equal to 0. So that y will be 10 or 6. So if you want to add the sum will be 10 plus 6, which is 16. So either you use the first method or you use this method, you get the same answer. Thank you very much for spending your time with us. If you like this video and you are watching us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.